Hello folks, welcome to the Project Labs, and this is the first video with my new mic, so I think sound quality should be at least a little bit better than previous one, and if it is, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's start. I don't know if you have noticed, but we have done our whole introduction and we have write only 4 lines of code, so it is very slow and I get very frustrated of it oftentimes. Suppose you are doing 100 lines of code in a big project and you have to type every single line one by one. It will get frustrating. So what we can do is just delete it all and start over, and we will see how we can make your workspace a little bit faster. So just open VS Code and use Emmet. VS Code has default Emmet installed, but you can also install it in the extension tab. What Emmet do is you can use shortcuts for the HTML template. Like we have just did is we have typed exclamation mark and hit tab, and it gave us a whole HTML starting template, and you can edit the title part. Okay, what we'll see is we will see many shortcuts. Basically the common shortcut we use in our daily life, like how you can create a div. Just type dot and hit tab. It will give you a div template. You can edit the class name. But what if you want to type the class name in the shortcut itself? That also you can do it. Just dot for div and class name like container and hit tab. And if you want to put the data like hey in the shortcut itself, you can do that also. Okay, it's like this: dot for div, container for class name, and the data inside curly brackets like hey. Okay, moving on. You can do many things, like you can put div inside another div. There's a shortcut for that too also. You just type the class name of the first div, the outer div, and you type this what you call it, what is the symbol, opening closing bracket, right? So you use curly bracket for you use closing bracket for the inside div, and you can also use text inside like we did earlier by using curly brackets. Right. Okay, what's next? We can also do other than div. Right? Div is not the only identifier. We can do paragraphs, list, UL, heading tags, or any tab, any HTML tab. You can do that. Just put the name of that before the dot, just like this. Para is a class name and curly bracket for the data inside. And there are 2 types of identifier. One is class and ID, and for class we are using dot, and for ID we can use hash. Or you can just go next level. You can do very advanced stuff also, like container inside container with text with multiple items and all that. Like we have is a outer div of main, then unordered list and one item inside it with some sample text. And we are seeing there are only one item, but we can do like multiple. You are not using list for only one item, right? So to do multiple item at once, just use the dollar symbol. Dollar symbol multiply by how many times you want to multiply that div container. And you can use tab for going to next item and edit it smoothly. And if you want to see more of it, just go to docs.ml.io cheat sheet. Here you will get every shortcut basically, and you can experiment around anything. Like we will be using this for demonstration purpose, right? Just copy and paste and click tab. Here you go. If you do more stuff, just go to that site and just look around, right? If you find it useful, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.